US and UK carried out several air raids on targets throughout Yemen to damage Houthi bases. The strikes were retaliation for attacks on unarmed ships in the Red Sea, as well as US naval vessels that have crippled global shipping. On February 18th, Houthis carried out missile attack on the British-owned ship Ruby Mar in the Red Sea. The vessel was carrying over 41,000 tons of fertilizers. The attack caused crew to abandon ship, resulting in an 18-mile oil slick. Similarly, on 22nd February 2024, two missiles were fired at UK-owned Palau-flagged cargo ship named Islander. The attack sparked a fire and wounded one sailor on board the vessel.